How do I sign up for Spotify Duo Premium?
Hello there. Looking for a way to share your love for music with your partner? You're at the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of signing up for Spotify Duo Premium. This Spotify subscription allows two individuals living at the same address to have their own premium accounts at a reduced rate. Let's get started.
What do you need beforehand?
Before diving into the sign-up process, you need to ensure a couple of things. Firstly, you and your partner need to be living at the same address, as Spotify Duo requires both individuals to confirm the same home address. Secondly, if you're already a premium subscriber, you'll need to cancel your current premium subscription before switching to Duo.
Creating a Spotify account.
If you or your partner don't already have a Spotify account, here's how to create one. 1. Go to Spotify's homepage. 2. Click on Sign Up at the top right corner of the page. 3. You can either sign up with your Facebook account, Apple ID, Google account, or email address. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. 4. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click Sign Up again to create your account. Remember, both you and your partner need individual Spotify accounts to use Duo.
How to sign up for Spotify Duo Premium.
After you and your partner have Spotify accounts, you can sign up for Duo Premium. Here are the steps. 1. Visit the Spotify Premium page. 2. Scroll down until you find the Duo plan. 3. Click on Get Duo. 4. Log in with your Spotify account if you aren't already. 5. Fill in your payment details and home address. 6. Confirm your subscription. Once you've done that, an invite link will be sent to your email. You need to send this link to your partner.
How to join Spotify Duo Premium as a partner.
When you, as a partner, receive the invite link, 1. Click on the link in the email. 2. Log in to your Spotify account. 3. Confirm the same home address. 4. That's it. You are now part of the Spotify Duo Premium. There you have it. Signing up for Spotify Duo Premium is as simple as that. Now you and your partner can enjoy unlimited music without ad interruptions, with the freedom to play any song anytime and anywhere. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy listening!